This is part 2 of doing all Animal Hospital characters in the same photo. Okay.
I'd rather stay here.
Oops.
Please. We have something special for you. Okay, but please don't use it.
Okay, now let's give her a classic hat and hearts. This cross is too small. Probably can't do it then. But that's kind of fine, I guess. Finish doing the ears. Oops. Okay, I'm basically just tracing, but not really. Like, not 100%. Anyways, keep there. I think that'll be good. Now I just have to do this. Looks like a typer. Oh, whoopsie. No, stop it! Okay, there it is. Don't mind that. Okay, let's do all this. Then take that, do that. Gotta erase that. That just looks weird. I think we want to do like this. There we go. Now, onto the face. Gotta add the design, like always. Okay, first let's do the eyes. Oops. Okay. Wait, that looks. No, it's the people.
Who said expensive taste had to be that expensive? That's not good. We get the deals, you get the good stuff.
Okay, now we do this. That looks weird. Let me redo that. There.
Health insurance for $89.
There we go. Let's do that here, that there.
But there really are
same thing on the other side. And yeah, that's it. But the eyes do look weird, so let's change that up a bit. Still look weird.
That was a very nice gesture on your part.
It would have been nicer if I hadn't taken them in the first place, like you said.
There we go. Now it doesn't look weird. Okay.
Very proud of you.
It's time to color.
Maybe it was a good thing that nobody came to my party.
Okay. Boom.
That's right, man.
Boom,
If
bop.
everyone had come that I invited,
There.
I might have gone on for years being a real little
Now
stinker.
we have to do the face design. Get back to this color. Change it a little more this way though. That looks just a brown. No, it doesn't. We need like reddish. No, that's too much. That's really much. No. Let me just take the color. Boom. Perfect. Here, this color doesn't look that like vibrant. Let's make it more vibrant. There we go. No. That's like the same color as the FaceTime. Can't do that. Yeah, that works. Oh my gosh. Now we have to get white, color in the eyes. Well, you know. Now we have to get a red for the heart. Perfect. Can't forget about this. There. I did it, kind of.
Bundle can end. Crumble and save. Who gave them crackers? Cuddle and wait. You know, that's close enough. Only pay for what you need.
Okay. There. That looks perfect. Now, move back to 12. Something looks off about it. Oh, yes, it's this. There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay, look. I'd say it's like this, bro. Yeah. Getting a little lighter for this. And yep, there's that. Now, that is the ending of part 2. So, once again, bye.